To remove the blue solenoid valve located inside the machine, the lower service panel must first be removed. Then we'll disconnect the hose coming into the valve, the electrical connectors, and finally we'll disconnect the valve from this fitting here. We'll disconnect the hose using a 3/8 wrench. If you push the wrench against the fitting and pull out on the hose will pop out of its fitting. Next, turn the valve out to reach the electrical connectors, and we'll remove both electrical connectors. And finally, we'll put the wrench in and push out on the valve, and the valve will slide off of the fitting. And that's removing the blue solenoid valve.